Hello, I am Ransom Ryder. Today I'm in the kitchen. I'm doing something really special, something unique. Don't go anywhere. This is going to be absolutely fantastic when it's completed. I am going to be using Swerve. Now, I'm not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. This is Swerve Granular 0-Calorie Sweetener. Now, I'm going to be making some banana bread. I love banana bread, and I want to try this Swerve out. Hang with me. Let's see how this is going to work. I want it to be delicious. I want it to be good. 0 calorie. Let's find out together. So I'm going to be using Swerve. This is a 1-to-1 replacement for sugar. And on top of that, I'm going to be using a second product from Swerve. This is a brown sugar replacement for Swerve, and it's a 1-to-1. I'm going to be giving this banana bread to some friends, and I'm going to try it out and see if they recognize that it's actually different, because they are searching for a good sugar replacement with 0 calories. All right, I want to get started. It's going to be a basic banana bread recipe. Stay still, bowl. It's going to be a basic banana bread recipe. So let's get the dry ingredients going. Be sure you refer to my recipe down below where you get exact measurements on the ingredients that I will be using in this banana bread. So in goes the flour. This is about 1.5 cups. Set that to the side. Then this is the sugar replacement. This is the granulated Swerve. This is Swerve, the granulated sugar replacement, about 3/4 cup. Let's pop it in. My Swerve brown sugar replacement. This smells like brown sugar. I cannot believe that. I'm excited to try this out. So hang with me, because you and we're going to taste it together. Right. And then I want to come in, because I want this bread to have a nice rise. I have some baking powder, some baking soda, and this is a little bit of salt just to balance the flavors out. Now let's take the whisk and whisk this all together. And then I want to come in with just a little bit of cinnamon. Now I absolutely love cinnamon, so we're going to pop this in. That's just going to enrich, enhance, bring forth all the flavors. It's gonna meld with all the other ingredients in this banana bread to really give us something spectacular. I hope, because remember, we're using Swerve. It smells good. That smells really good. Let's set that to the side. Let's come over. I want to start with my bananas. These are overly ripe bananas. This will give us a natural sweetness, and it's what makes banana bread banana. These bananas are on a little bit of the smaller size, and so I'm going to use 4 of them. All right, so I have 4 bananas. I normally use 3, but these were a little bit smaller, so I'm using 4. Let's give these a mash. Remember, the riper the banana, the better. I'm just fork mashing these. You could use a mixer here, but I don't mind mashing these bananas by hand with a fork. And this is my jumbo fork. And then I want to come in with my wet ingredients. I have here 2 room temperature eggs. Let's give these just a little bit of a beat. I'm going to mix that in with my banana. Then I'm going to come in with 1 stick of butter. And this is melted. You want this, you don't want it to cook your eggs, but you want this to be easy to add into your mixture. And everything is better with butter. I know, it sounds cliche, but it is so good. That butter, it's fat. It just adds so much flavor. All right, I'm gonna mash this a little bit more. But I do like to occasionally, get a little piece of banana in the muffin or in the banana bread. It lets you know what you're eating, the taste and a little bit of texture. I like it when it all comes together to be really special. Now, one of my favorite ingredients in a lot of my baking, vanilla flavoring. Let's go ahead and add some of this. About a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. I absolutely love it. You could use a little bit more, a little bit less. I'm on the more side for vanilla flavoring. Now I'm gonna mix this in, make sure it's fully incorporated. My bananas are looking good. There's a few little chunks in there. Let's bring back over my dry ingredients. Another whisk through, and then let's add in the wet ingredients. All right, looks good. Let's set this to the side. I'm gonna come in with my spatula and just give this all a mix. Now, this would be the part where you could add nuts, raisins, you know, little additions to give your banana bread a unique flavor that you really like. I do love pecans in here. Raisins, yes, but I'm keeping this simple because it's a new recipe for me with Swerve. If you've used Swerve, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you thought about it. All right, I just want this mixed until the flour disappears. This actually smells really good. It smells good, it looks good. I'm hoping I'm gonna love this Swerve. Now, I've got a pre-sprayed muffin pan. I'm not gonna use the liners. I actually like a muffin out of a pan that doesn't have the liners, but you do you. You do you. So I'm gonna use an ice cream scoop and just scoop some of this in. I wanna make sure that this is nice and full. Big muffins. Let's see how many this makes. And I do believe this is gonna be perfect for 12 muffins. That looks so good. This looks so good. They smell good right now. I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 425 for about 5 minutes. I will drop it down from 425 to 350 until these are fully cooked and the toothpick comes out clean after being inserted in the middle. I'll be right back. These are fresh out of the oven. I wish you were here to smell these. They smell absolutely decadent. Decadent, I say. I've got some Maldon salt, Maldoon. It's English, it's a large grain. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this on top as a garnish. Look at the size of that crystal. And I want this to just make them look pretty and enhance the flavors. Oh, looks so good. Look at this big beauty. You get a little extra salt, a little bit of extra salt for you. All right, that looks phenomenal. It's so rare that I get an opportunity to use this large flake salt from England. I hope these are absolutely phenomenal, good tasting. Let's let these cool down. I want to let them cool down in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to take these out, pop them on the baker's rack and let them continue to cool down. But I'll be sampling one of these with butter. I'm looking forward to trying the muffins that have been made out of the normal 1-to-1 Swerve granulated sugar substitute, and I did use the brown sugar Swerve, which is also 1-to-1. We're gonna taste these as soon as they cool down. Don't you go anywhere. You come hang out with me. Pull up a chair. You're gonna get a muffin. I'll be right back. I can't wait 5 minutes. What am I saying? I'm gonna pull one of these out right now. Let me give this a slice because I want to add a little bit of butter onto this. This is how I enjoy them. A little bit of butter on the top and the bottom. Butter that bottom. Let's give this a taste. Is it going to be good? I hope so. I'm here for this. I am here for this. I get the richness of the banana, the hints of brown sugar. It has a sweetness that's spot on. I am thinking my grandmother would love these. I think you're gonna like these if you're looking for something without all the calories. You're gonna like this Swerve. That's good. That is good. Call your mama, share this recipe. These banana muffins using Swerve, they're delicious. You're gonna like them. Try them out. Leave me a comment. Come back, hang out. The journey in the kitchen is so much better when you share it with friends. I'm Ransom Ryder. Come and join me on my next adventure. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye. These were good. Bye.